This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a verified account and an active connection. Now open Get Connected and tap Start. You'll be prompted to allow location and network access. Grant those so the app can discover peers. Once done, choose Host or Join, pick Host to create a session, or Join to enter a code. Make sure to name the session clearly. This helps participants find it quickly and avoids collisions when multiple sessions run on the same network. You'll now configure the session. Select Public, Private, or Invite only depending on who should connect. For security, set permissions, enable or disable mic, camera, screen sharing, and file access. Once the options are set, generate an invite code or QR, distribute it to participants. Make sure to adjust discovery range and bandwidth caps if many users will join, because heavy traffic affects real-time features. If you need scheduled sessions, toggle the calendar link. You're at the finish line. Check the roster to confirm everyone is connected, then start collaborative actions: chat, file transfer, or group call, depending on your goals. Make sure hosts monitor permissions during active use and revoke when unnecessary. Once the session ends, close it to release resources and review logs for any errors. If someone cannot join, first refresh the network or have them rescan the QR. If that fails, reissue the invite code and check firewall or VPN settings as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.